Dorothy! Dorothy!
Yeah, how that day, yeah. Oh, me a come.
Are the cake we come for?
Me a come. Oh, you just a come. From morning, me a wait for you. Only good enough, but I make you mash up.
Was she in PR already, right?
Me and her did talk on the phone and she said when you come, you have to give me money.
No, man, that's a mix-up business now. Because me I go up on my merry way and she stopped me and said, me collect the cake from you.
I don't understand this.
Alright, is it a case where you can collect the money one different time?
Yes, no problem.
Alright, because based upon, a big misunderstanding. Alright?
It's alright. It's alright, because I'm a customer, everything good.
Are you sure though?
Yeah, man, it's alright. Just make sure I get the money. Because I have to collect in the money, them, you know, I have to buy other ingredients and stuff to make other cake and so. To sort out. But that good, man.
Alright, give thanks, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir, walk on.
Alright, later. Yeah, drive safe.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, yeah, my boss. Alright, so if I'm not later, yeah?
Okay.
I mean, make sure I get the money, man. Alright?
Alright.
Yeah, cool. Go on.
I did want to have a word with you, but never want to mention what I mentioned to you in front of my wife still, isn't it? Really and truly, I feel like you waste your time,
What do you mean I waste my time?
You're a remarkable young man and a big man. Big man, you have potential that is boundless. And you're there to waste it. You need to shake up your fellow grounds, man.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
What you mean? Boss man, me used to go to school together, you know. You was one of the brightest person in the school. You get scholarship and you did all of these things, but what? You're wasting the thing.
So what you really are trying to say now?
Big man, you need to use your education, use your head and get the better living. Nobody follow them youths so we do them fast life living there. Oh, don't pre them things, a big man. I see the road and I see the part where you're treading. It don't end well. Big man, I am in the law force.
So you're telling me
I can get you into the law force. It is only about you for consent and just say yes. You have to cut the hair, but as we say, I simply come answer that.
So you're telling me, say, you introduce me to join the force?
Big man, I implore and I encourage you, the force needs people like you. And I never ask, I tell you. From my perspective, which is in there, we need people like you to help us detain and catch these criminal elements out there. Big man, you would do wonders for Jamaica. I'm gonna ask Christ.
Brother, I never really come for you that information still, but it sounds kind of intriguing, like or something I couldn't really. So hold on, one to my brethren them go see me now and say me turn Babylon and me switch and all them something.
The same brethren are my brethren. And
yeah, but them talk things about you.
Yes, and then make them talk. At the end of the day, I pick up my salary. I earn an honest living and I live in my life. I have my wife and I live in my life. What is there to lose? People will talk, brother, but only for so much and for so long. You can't watch that because that will hinder and protect and stop your future.
So is it
focus?
Well, is that case where, brother, if you turn police and if you live where I live right now, the man them gonna say me switch. Man them go pre me certain way. Hold on,
go again.
But me get firearm legal, not true. Hold on. Alright, you are going.
You're worrying about the wrong thing, you know. You need to focus on the future. Focus on setting a foundation for yourself and family because you intend to have families, no?
That's true.
Yes, then how you plan to grow or raise your kids? You plan to raise them to come do what exactly? Lead by example, sir. So them come and see you in a good job. Make them know so getting a good job or becoming an entrepreneur or a business owner is the way to go. Not to come and a beg hand to mouth.
Not really a big anti-more right now. I hustle, yes, but it's not really constant.
And is it guaranteed? You still have to depend on somebody to get a stipend. How that working out for you? My money coming in is fixed like clockwork. And if I am at work or not, I am still getting paid. You need to secure your future, sir. And your kids' future. Make your family proud, no man.
I will have a thing to think about, you know. So hear me I say. Just give me back a number, yeah, sir. Just give me back a number and thing.
Big man, and I'm not going to give you my number for you to waste it, you know. I need you to make sure so you give me a call. Alright?
Me shout you.
Make sure so you give me a call.
As me don't tell you, say, it's something what me have to really think about, because them man, they're not going to get on and go really say, boy, rope straps. They're going to say me a switch.
And so what? Which side you going?
I go up uptown.
Uptown?
Yeah.
I headed that direction. Come on.
Babe. Cake, you know.
Thank you.
But I'm going to ask you, say, you want to pay for cake?
Huh?
You want to pay for cake?
No, you could pay for cake and a pair for it.
No, me, it's when you stop me and say me to go pick up the cake, me think you pay for it. No, she bad me up. When me reach round there and I talk to her, she say something like, me to pay for cake. When I walk it down money at the time, if you want to tell me, say, so you go,
No,
no,
babe,
me
you
go
never
to
pay
my
for it. You never pay for it. I think we didn't remember to tell her anyway, so you have to pay for it, but we never pay for it.
Next time you have to make sure you send her money, if that's the case.
So you could pay for your cake, babe. I tell her when I go back down there, pay her for your cake. We don't have no money to pay for your cake. What go on now?
You know what I'm saying? You don't have a PR yard and Officer Plaid.
Who?
Officer Plaid, PR man. I come tell me, say, if you join the force, join the police force.
What do you mean join force? You're not join no police force. You're not, listen babe, listen. You're not going to join any police force. I feel I want people kill me. I don't want nobody pray me and I don't want nobody pray me.
No, listen.
No, me not go listen babe. Me don't want you to join the force. Me not like that. Me not like that the idea there right now. Let me tell you something, and according to, I don't know, but everybody when me hear speak of the police force, it is so corrupt. Yes, you probably can go in there first and make a difference and something, and still go end up off the trim and then something. Nobody think about that.
That him tell me say I have to trim. He must say to me say me can, because him undercover him. So he must say based on my subjects and my qualification, I can jump on the thing.
No, sir, no.
Trust me, man. Listen.
No, B, no.
No?
And it's something where you have to think about, B. Nobody do that. Me not like that.
Are you a
Me not like that. I'm here to tell you the truth. If me and you go, have to break up. If you're going to police force, me and you go, have to break up. And I know say it's going to hurt me. But at the end of the day, I don't want you to do it. Right now, you don't know how I'm feeling. I can't believe say, you really come to me with that. B. Nobody think about that. Nobody think about that. I don't want you to go in there first, and that is it. If you really feel like say you want to go in there first, me and you go end up off the break off.
Georgia, listen man, relax man. When you come here later on, later. Just go on to your business.
We can talk about it, but me not want you go in there first. So we go end up off the go break off because
we're not break up. How yourself? A bigger thing. Listen man, listen me I say to you now.
Me know what?
Understand the circumstances. Pension. You know what I say? We can have, a better life for certain things. If we go to a place, we get a loan, we can get a loan easy. You understand what I say?
What kind of loan?
What you mean, car loan or
no,
house loan?
You don't need that. You don't need that. A whole heap of loan you can't take without surety. You can't, no.
When I come home later with that. Yeah?
Me not accept that. Me not accept that. I know why you can't understand. Remember, you see when me work? At the end of the day, me don't want nobody come hold me up and sit and say, that girl they understand that how me man a police and then something. Me don't want that because nobody feel like the people not gonna know. People are gonna know. There's nothing in this world where at least one somebody don't know.
See your customer now come. Later we talk, yeah? Just relax. Alright, Georgia.
Me not feel good about this and just know so while you're there growing you really think about it because me not like
Well, go on.
Yo, we're gonna move into the pan, bro.
But you know, say I want to advise me come show you because this I know. I don't know if you know Officer Plaid.
Yeah, I know boy, yes, man.
Because you know, he must show me a vibe where he must say, me I waste my time and me need to come join the force and them have special place for me and them sitting there. You know what I mean?
Brother, listen, man. You know, say nothing no good come out of police force. And plus, the man them round here, so you know, see them not like police. So I worst mistake that you don't make, brother, to go join police force. You're a madman, man.
But the man show me say, based upon the fact say, if me join the force, me either can, you know, just secure certain things because him still know the people around here still. But
You know the people, them, but that no
I
means
don't
they
know
like
if
him. They not like him, you know. You see me? And bro, you don't want to take on some unnecessary enemy upon yourself, you know. You go turn police, you ever have to go watch your back, you know. You have to preach say me can't go protect you, you know. You understand me, I say? You know what you are, the brother.
so it's a no then, basically.
You're your own big man and me your brother, but you're your own big man. Me only can advise you, me can't really tell you what to do. You know what I say? You have to make that decision and know if it's the right move for you. You understand what I say?
Alright, the reason I forward and link is still because I think I might take up your offer. But if push comes to shove me, I think I might have to move out or, you know, just give place a break.
Brother, you have to know what you're doing, dog. And plus, if you're a police, you have to try to apply for your own gun. You can't own the government gun. And you need something to protect yourself. So you have to know what's best for you, brother. You have to say me only can advise you, can't tell you what to do.
Alright, rough. Out to everybody, I think you actually give me a positive, talk when you say, boy, alright, do what you have to do and because your words to me is very important. And you know that already. But this is something I can do to set my life because I need pension. You understand? We need some stability, when time gets tough. I can't just be hustling. Because see you there on your phone and try and make a thing. You understand me? I say, I want to break the cycle of fluid, in a full family. But can't change the words too. Yo, I say still in, just link me a link and show the vibes.
Alright, do what you have to do, man. But there see me, man.
If you see me, you know me there.
Alright, yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Alright.
Yo,
Bag big bro.
how are you there, man?
I hear me like say a ton Douglas, a ton police.
Brother, right now, I don't even want to talk about that, Because the man come here with a little fool chatting. And I don't show him my intention and my vibes for that already, It's a wrong move that man make to turn police. Because the people around us don't like police.
Because for me bad man bridging them, we can't do for them to me.
You see the same thing and them I chat about. So right now, I don't show my vibe already. So if you want to turn police, bro, in the pan you want, You see me? Yeah.
When you want him, Because me will get caught up in it,
I know, brother. I know. I don't tell him already. So, at least him know for the right thing, because I don't tell him already.
Alright, sir. Make sure I want us still, is it?
Alright, yeah, man.
Dorothy.
What going?
Oh there, Georgia sent me to come pay for this stuff then.
Okay.
So she said she will send one more cake come down then.
You know, so I never bake no more yet. Because I never have no money. Remember, so I tell you, I never have no money. I did want some ingredients and some other stuff, some spice and something. Vanilla and then little sitting there.
7, 8, 9,
And some more raisin.
10. So a 15 if you want a cake, right?
Yeah, I can buy some more. So
That's
as soon
right,
as I buy the ingredients, them and some, I make one and maybe make sure now so you can compete or let you compete.
Alright, so I'm going to tell her, sir. When
Alright.
your time?
Somebody else when I did sell some cake did owe me one money. Then Carrie come give me already, so me put this funny And then me go down supermarket to see if me get some ingredients and some other stuff. So me go have cake by now a weekend.
By a weekend, for tell her.
Yeah.
Alright. Thing of the day?
Who that?
Your husband.
You know, say another year. Him gone, you know.
I got a long time. Yeah,
Long time he gone. Me I wonder if he stay so long. And I know my husband.
What do you mean? Your husband. A long time we're together, so you know.
We did a long time, but we don't married.
Alright, respect her, man, but me have to cut and touch the street. Yeah, ma'am. So just remember, say weekend, because she want to keep them. Come and say, I sell, she sell them too. She sell them
Yeah,
by
man,
slice.
never have cake, man. Never have cake. Me just did want some more money to get what the ingredients I want to tell her before.
Alright, give thanks. Yeah. Me will tell Georgia if you just expect if it in up on the weekend. Alright? I'll big up yourself.
Anyway, excuse me 1 minute. Douglas, come here.
Yes, Dorothy.
Me no want to go in between you and my man business. Whatever plan you no have, me no want to go in it. Me know you no concern me. You no say you a friend, but me know you a long time before me there with this man. Even though me there with him about 5 years now. Me not tell no lie. You see, since recently, from about down in the last year, me not trust him.
What do you mean by that?
He might act suspicious like he might do some illegal stuff. Me no know, me cannot prove it, but he looks suspicious and he might act different. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
And him start tell me lie all of a sudden. You see the man when me went just meet 5 years ago? Another man here. He might act different like I want different somebody. He come like I know him me know like me and him not there and we there together. You understand me? We there together and he come like we not there.
I understand.
Me I go tell you something. I put you up on your guard. You see the trust where you put in him? Take out 3/4 it and left quarter. Left the quarter and watch the quarter. The quarter trust where you have in him, watch it. And talk to me about it. And you will see on the line with tell. I don't am a man. Yes, everybody know. And you see all them kiss where you see me come kiss up me in front of you. Nobody feels any animal live good. Me not tell no lie and no chat me they chat him, but when man dirty woman fi talk, so then dirty fi show him corrupt.
Understand.
Me not like his style. Me wish him can turn back to the person when me did just meet. You know when me did just meet him, he used to act normal and nice and like them nice decent citizens. Now a drunk, God forgive me, but me never give you no message we go give him.
No, I'm glad you tell me.
Listen to me, Douglas. Me know you're my friend like that. And I trust you. You know why me I tell you this? Because me and your woman and you are friend. Long time. Your woman is my customer. You understand me? And me now go make sick of me piece of man. Where they call himself blood. You see? Make me lose my customer then. Me I put you up on your guard. Look here, watch me lips. Be careful. You hear me?
Respect.
And don't call back my name.
I'm glad to tell me this. I get confused because me just left it yourself, Respect,
Me not trust him, man. Let me tell you this. Me and him now go there for no long time. The 5 years is long as much. But me not think it will go on next 2 years between me and him. You see, if me and him not left this year, early next year me and him left. But me no want you to say nothing to him. Me just watch him see if he not change. Because sometimes, as a woman, you want a man there, he might go on with the foolishness. You can give him chance and forgive him. Yes. Because if me do something, I want him to forgive me. But this thing is getting over the limit. It go over a limit. Me can't take it and me have it up to here. So, a last try me depend right now. You want me say?
Respect, because I guess even you have tell me this, me know say me not really have the conversation, and I must mean me good.
Thank God you notice. I'm not really talk up to you more than collect my money, give on the cake them, and that's it. You understand? But me I tell you, my man, me and you are uncle friend and your woman, And me is only friend I know a long time as my customer. But they tell you this man, we say I'm a man, I do not trust him so. You know what that means?
Oh, I'll be careful for sure.
Okay.
Respect. So me go tell George yourself.
Should we get ticket by weekend, man?
Alright, respect, yeah?
Alright, cool. Be careful.
Bad man, fool is a fool. Gangster make it fuck, yeah, just cool. Hello, baby. You good? Yeah, man. How was your day today?
Alright.
What for dinner?
Start to.
What is for dinner? What's the plan today?
Chicken back.
Chicken back.
Yeah, I don't have money to buy no after, so don't go there. Please, not beg you.
No, that's cool, man. That's cool.
Chicken back and some white rice. I cook my rice and things today.
Baby, nobody cook it nicer than you, you know. Nobody cooks it better than you, not even the colonel. Oh, yes. Yo, watch you now. My dear, did rough still, but alright. No, go on the way I do, man.
And you know, so you have a rough
She
for a
like?
long time. Yes. But please me the beg you. You see, most of the time when you talk to me, even myself feel intimidated by your speech. The words that were out of your mouth, I do not like it, but you don't want me to have anything, me just make it stay right there. Because I like to be a humble person. I don't like it quarreling. So please me the beg you. You see, always a short of her and they bully her. She get bully her, yeah. She get bully at primary when she used to go. She go get bully at high school when she be at college. The girl them give her, she said they not talk to her good. And her as a father.
So she never come to me with them
No,
things.
listen. Sometimes girl child will go through the daddy with certain things, but certain things they not bring it to the daddy, they bring it to the mommy. You understand? So please, when you talk to her, please can take time to talk to her. No matter with the shouting and the loudness and the brawlingness, because she don't like it. Do she, even if I'm a bully, they bully her, she they looking within her mind and they say, why daddy you talk to me so him a bully me, make she feel intimidated. Like she's scared. That's why sometimes when she want to tell her certain stuff, she's scared to tell her. So please, just take time when you're going there. She has
soft, you know.
She has faith. So please, take time with her. Do nobody cuss her. No argument. Me no want to hear it. Never cook some food so you can't get it. Come go. Fresh up yourself and everything.
But I want to go in that room to be honest, you know, because you're not telling me if to talk to her a certain way.
No. I have daughter.
No, raise no, look up, fenke.
No, she not fenke. That's the reason why she don't like you talk to her certain people. Like you're not some big, you know, some big people thing. Like they cuss her when you talk, the loudness and I'm frightened.
You prepare her for the world, for the real world. I saw the real world. See, the real world is a dog and dog beat, dog fight, you know.
No, don't say that. Man say that you have to be careful how you teach your children then. So when they grow up and became an adult, even though a college man, you know, say she a big girl now, she has no more baby. But you know what I mean? You know what I mean when they say, understand how to talk to your children, them or your child, whatever it may be. So when them grow old and have feed them children, they know how to talk to feed them children and they know how to teach for them children. So feed them children come get the same. You know what I mean? And have the good concept of life and know how to treat elderly people with respect and manners. Because it's not nice when you deal with them, feed them at your yard certain type of way, you know. They go out the road and go feed them, can't deal with other adults, you know. That means they not break up, they drag up.
Cha-cha.
You understand? You don't like that kind of something. I mean, like, oh, you're not a one, you know, like some old hooligan there, but you're the woman over there, so all the neighbor can be here.
I like she will be here.
That's been a one, then stay over there and feel so we have them the same thing. So you have to go grow up your child in the way they should grow. You can't do that and bully the little girl. No, man. Now she go to college. You know, say she talk, they try to talk properly, you know, and they try to go there in the world. To go teach at a young person, she said she want to be a teacher or something, you know, or doctor. Although when they get older, they change their mind. So it depends on the amount of subject and whatever degree then come out with and sitting. So it's up to she. You can't tell her force her or tell her what she should do when she don't want it. Because she has to go come decide. But please remember you have to show the respect to your daughter.
She don't want to be a police officer.
Me no know. You know say she not going to disrespect you. It's your daughter. So
She can't disrespect me.
no,
In my house.
she not going to do that.
She mad.
She not going to do that. I do always have started contention. And you need to stop it. That's why I did talk to you when I like it. So please, you know what I talk about, you're not going there. 1 year, your daughter, look how long she gone.
But you say she asleep, man. She go and rest. When she wake up, we talk.
Alright, then.
But you know, you're sitting in a city, you say, isn't it? Watch some TV.
Angel. That's in the sleep. Angel. Wake up. Your father there. Him just come.
Which party in there?
In the living room, saying I sit down in a couch. As me about to cook. And him that turn up. Me I'll tell him to come in and contact you, but you me tell him say you're in the sleep because you're tired. So you not come in here so. Anyway, when you wake up properly, come in and me can wake you up. You can go talk to him out there so. Here?
I mean, I like talk to him, you know. I like talk to them, man. They kind of know to talk to people.
You understand me, daughter. But don't worry yourself. Maybe you will change one day, I don't know. I don't understand why you have to talk to you like that.
You mean him can't talk to me like so me and him in an argument?
Me hear him sometimes still. But me know say every minute he may do it. Me don't like where I go on. Me have to know if you deal with you as in daughter. So you can grow to have respect for him. Why? Anyway, cook me a cook. I know you're most hungry by this. You did talk to me about some book and something. What did you say about whatever?
The school fee if you pay.
So what can I tell him when you go this go talk to you?
I mean, when I like talk to him.
Why?
But me tell him. Me got tell him. Me got to say to him and hear what he have to say.
Tell me how you feel when he talk to you. You feel intimidated, like you feel like he's a bully or something. How you feel? You can talk to me as your mother, you know. I'm your mother, you know. Me your biological mother.
Me not feel bully. Me just don't want to disrespect him.
You must shout off fire or what? You must disrespect him and talk to you in some kind of way where you don't like. What is the problem? Because I have daddy, you're supposed to can talk to him about any little thing, but not everything. I know you're a girl, so certain things that we more to tell them mad about. Anyway, figure about it. Maybe you're not ready to talk. Put me a book. I know you want something to eat. But you need to go there so and talk to your father. I don't know how I go work out it, but me alone can work it out. I can't work it out by myself. You understand? So you need to talk to him. And anything when I do what you don't like, you need to tell him. That means stop. Because maybe he think of nothing. Or through him and your father and he's saying to talk to him, but you grow up a big girl now, you're not going to like certain things. So you need to explain and tell him what you like from what you don't like. You understand? So you can go talk to him, man. They're going to finish cook, yeah?
Alright.
I see you come with the rubber.
Walk on, daddy.
Walk on, Angel. You say you did there, but when you say you did asleep, so that's why I'm not even coming to come trouble you.
Yeah, man, they just come down.
So you there, though?
I come down because we were school tuition.
The only reason why you come boy, though.
What do you mean, daddy? So when I have to pay money, I'm going to continue to get you to college.
I know. You My dad tell me say you want to be teacher or doctor. So I don't want to be police.
You want me police, sir?
I the same police where you don't want to be. I it a pay for your school fee. I it a pay your tuition. Yeah? I it a put food on the table and make you can live.
Daddy,
Up on board.
Daddy, no bother with this right now.
No bother with this. That your mother said to. But hear what? Nah say nothing. I go and watch you, man. See what you depend, you see me? Nah fight you know. But anyways, you have life, though. Alright, that is good.
Well, give me money. Because I can't go back up without you, know.
Everything is just about the money, man.
So I go continue to go to school, Daddy.
That's the only reason why you talk too hard to me. You see why I can't have a good conversation with you, none at all. No. You don't want to talk to me about nothing else.
If I didn't have nothing else to talk to you about, I'd talk to you about it, though.
Full of attitude.
Learn from your best.
Hear all them something you do. See, you need to adjust yourself. Cause you reach the age right now where I don't really have to pay that money there. Yeah, I can leave things. But cause I really want you to come out to something. Don't pay it. Yeah, man. So when you leave back?
I'm not sure yet. So not tomorrow, the day after.
Yeah, man, you can get the money, man. So you said the sooner you get the money, the sooner you're gone?
Yeah, most likely, what do you have?
At least you're honest about that. Yeah, man. Later on, I'll come get that.
Alright.
I'll go and hold some peace.
Alright, I'll go back in.
Yeah, man. Do your thing, man. Everything is just money. Money, money, money. Chat to man with bag of attitude and then just one man give you no money. You know, peace better than them people about the road, no. Yeah, your mother is the same thing. Time when you just vex, that's all on the vex for. That's why man have to hustle on the road, you know. Cause this government pay and now pay off all the bills them. Man have to hustle in the streets. Hustling is real.
Baby.
Hmm?
Yeah, I don't know.
I get ready to jump in. I'm going to work.
Alright.
Listen, man.
It's alright. Me come to it and me get to understand say yes, you really this is what you really want and me have to just accept it. And me be honest with you. You see, this is all because me love you. If me never love you, me be honest with you, me know
Cut
this
and
day.
go. I don't know, man. That's what I'm telling you. Say, trust me. You can trust me 100%. You understand me? I said, this is how me do for both of us. You understand? It
Alright.
better, man.
I want me go ask you for though.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to go there and be a change.
That is it.
Be a change. Don't be like the rest. We all know, we all know how this thing goes.
Exactly.
Be the change. Don't get corrupted, please.
No, man, you know something that stays so.
Be positive.
You
Keep
know
the
that.
peace.
Exactly.
When I go out there, you see, you know, say, little people in the on the road, not taunt them, dude. Not taunt them. Just be a good cop that you should be.
Exactly.
That's all me ask for them. You promise?
Promise, man.
You promise?
I mean, man, nothing not change it. Seal it, no? Seal it. Seal it. See that? You seal it.
Just do the right thing. I really not feel comfortable with you, and me be honest with you. Me look in your eyes and tell you, say, me really not feel comfortable, you know this. Me tell you over and over, but just go out there and just do the right
That's
thing.
it, man. That's it,
Understand? Because right now, me feel away, no, me be honest with you, me feel away, but
It is what it is. So wear a shirt that we are wearing for her.
You should have just I want to call it for a man and make a pussy
What?
for him. Pretty for man, the person to be careful.
You see that little something here now. Like nah, some would me not press a shirt, you know, because I always press a shirt, but if you know some ever press a shirt and you look earlier. Me don't know.
Just trust me,
And
man.
guess what I mean? Me just afraid. Yeah, they go they handle weapon and something they like me literally afraid. Me afraid because I know how they something they can do.
Yeah,
You understand?
Just pray for me constantly, man. I pray alone can keep me safe in the streets. Yeah?
Go press it.
Alright. Yeah, now I brush my teeth and forward, yeah?
Alright.
Dirty, baby. Come on off, you know. Don't know you're gonna try to reach in on time. So you say, good later?
No bother with it. From the other day, I noticed you are going with some things where you know me not like. You come out and go to work, you kiss me on my face and all about palm me in front of the neighbor them. Me not like that something there. You know me not like that something there. Why you not kiss me in my house or somewhere where nobody not there? In front of public, how you try to prove?
So hold on there, you're not my woman. I understand you behave like you're not my woman, you know.
You not behave like I say. Me and for your woman. So why me fi behave like me a woman?
As a matter of fact, you're my property.
You want me?
Use my property.
And when we married?
What do you mean by when we're married? Listen to me, man. Use my woman by law. I'm more than 5 years now where I do this.
Listen to me. Let me tell you something. You see, from when me they try to avoid you for me, you know, in no argument. Me no married. That's the first thing. Number 2, circumstances make me chat to you. You hear me? Needs and wants make me come end up with someone uno. You understand me? So you know better come go on like I say Ray and Tay and all kind of thing. You don't own me, you know. You don't own me like that until you put on the ring. You know, from when me I tell you say, if you meet me and you're married, and you come go on like I say, no, me and no wife material, you have next girl road. Go and go hug them up and kiss them up. And me I wash your clothes, I cook and I do everything for you. And I'm going to see people come go on like me and live good. Me and not live good, remember so we not live good none at all.
I like how you move. I'm not done till I say my son put on the ring on your finger.
When?
Things take a little time, mama. The streets them cold, me have to go and warm them up.
You forgot the years them say 5 years. Why me fit there with one man so long and he can't marry me? I want so. Eh? And you just have me the wash, cook, clean, this, that, everything for you.
So
and me can't prove say I'm a man. How this man you come
in? Me can't prove. You short or nothing? Ring no prove nothing.
Really?
What ring prove?
Lord God.
I go on like I say, and you are the woman. And you come home to every night, so ring not prove nothing.
You know say foolishness say chat door. That's why if you read the Bible, you don't know nothing about the word of God. See which part you're gone there.
See my Bible here.
Your Bible there. I must your belly here. What that?
See my Bible there, man. It protect me every day and every night. And this is my Psalms 21. Yea, do I walk, I fear no one, for this thing is with me. Everything must get calm. My Bible that. And you is my woman. And when me know my woman though, wash, cook, clean, and take care of the household. What you have fight for, I provide everything for your comfort. You have TV, you have everything in there. What more you want? Just live and be contented, no man.
How long since you start have them and they carry them in and so? I don't understand you. I first me see you with this.
So I have to protect
what
myself.
Kind of work you do and tell me lie?
Eh? What kind of work I do?
You tell me lie.
So you don't know say me a police officer
how
like... long?
You're a police officer, but me don't sure say you have a license gun. And the government property you come home with, you're not supposed to sign in.
No,
eh?
Man,
when you get here and when you come out, you sign out so you get it up back.
I'm bigger now, man.
You're bigger now.
So we can walk with my own.
Alright.
How would this afford?
Go on, I didn't wait for me.
So him come and say, watch out the boy. Proud of the boy, see man.
They're important more than.
Come.
No, put back your mouth for me. No, kiss me again. Don't kiss me again. Go on.
Say,
Go on. Me nobody want married. Go on.
watch.
Think the Georgia go send the money for the cake. Because she want a different one. I choose she ain't go change her check and time run up on her. So she has said to herself if you order one more, so by later on she will just come collect
Tell
it.
Judge just run out of ingredients. Me not have no money. So me not go make no cake this week.
Alright. You ready, my boss?
Why man look proper, man? Look, how you feel?
Confident. You know
Feel
what I mean?
confident?
Yeah, man.
Ready to touch the road?
Just one thing. It's like me have to go move from my community because I don't really trust certain things. Check my brother talk some stuff. I'm more of a kind of get a break. But me aren't just to the first day for work. You understand? So you ready?
Guidance, man. Protect you. Come in, man. Young man, see them streets,
Yeah.
know them streets, I know them places inside and out. I have to know them places like the back of your hand. Because more while you're alone and got step into the streets. I have to show you the ropes so you can understand what's going on.
See.
You know, see all the money over going. Somebody who know good, you know.
What you mean say no good?
Yeah, I'm a virgin, man.
What you mean say virgin?
Yeah, good virgin too. But you have to understand, you know. Work have to go on. We do all of the hard work. We can't live on police salary alone. We have to do the do. You see me?
So your virgin will say no, but you come link him. Just to check him.
No. Come collect. You see, in everything dues have a pay, you know.
I see you around the streets.
So now so the street we get to run my G. How the system set up, you know. Watch you know. And now we invent the wheel, you know. Don't try to change it. I am just a person who just joined the wheel because the wheel already a turn. So all you need to do is just do what I do. And you will be alright.
I'm so man.
You see me?
Yeah, man. Ready?
Alright? So just easy. Stay back. Watch my head back. I watch your head back. But make me do the talking. I just observe and see what go on. You see me? Be my eyes.
Alright.
Good?
Yeah, man.
You're good, man. Forward. My protection is on line. Yeah, man, business look real good.
Yeah, man, if you look good, man.
You're supposed to know why I'm there still, you know.
I don't know why you fi tell me.
What you mean? You don't know, man.
Don't
Come
know.
for collect the local thing, you know?
Collect.
Yeah.
What I talk about? Some of the things say we have an agreement. They ain't a virgin, man.
We're
Eh?
not bridging.
We have virgin and you deal with me, someone.
No,
Me?
It's not a one-off thing. Remember, say the girls, the man, the youths, them have to deal with, you know?
Youths, girls. So I'm me. Fi mind your woman them.
I say them way, the man. You me I say, the man. Just collect me come collect.
So extortion you run for me now.
Hey, watch you now. Don't use them word the fire. Don't use them word there. It's a diplomatical collection, my depend.
Oh. So me have to go act diplomat now. Alright, brother.
Just the way I do, man.
Yeah, man.
Even when I forget and
Yeah, man,
we
no
go your
problem,
ways and you
man.
don't know your
No.
thing
Ah,
covered.
Yeah, man, no problem, man. Alright, Inspector Platt, no problem.
Respect. That's something like when you comply, you know.
Yeah, man.
And then I saw the thing for go, man.
All
Do the
you,
right thing.
you are new police and you make Platt a carrying nine dirty work them.
Here, no, man. Leave my squaddy out of this. Me and you have business. That's the way you have to do.
Yeah, man, me I get it, man. Me I get it. But remember, you know. Remember what you just do.
Jimmy, what you say to me?
I just talk to you in a diplomatical way.
So you say I use back my words for me.
No higher.
Jimmy, what you do, you know?
What I'm telling you, man.
Remember, we
everything
have
good,
the
man.
streets, you know. Remember that, here.
Yeah, man.
Collect that and forward.
Yo, Junior.
What take you so long, man? You get the
Man.
money and the weed?
Yeah, man, I pack up everything.
Hold that, man. I'm to you, man. Come here. There's too long to. Hurry up and left from them spot, yeah.
Officer Plan, I've got to talk, you know.
Only if you have to learn, man.
I've got to talk, man.
Yo, Dr. Scott. You know what I say? Me I sit more you do it for me. Yeah, man. You see boy. They call him Plaid. The inspector. Boy, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me I go want you deal with him, man. Yeah, and he also have one young police with him. Yeah, man. So you don't know, see that the boy there collect the whole lot of money now. And him alone used to walk and collect and he have one new police with him, you know, when I bring in a corruption. Yeah, man. Me go want you deal with him mad for him, man. Alright, sir. Alright. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. Alright, Dada.